Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. As I continue to work through the ABRSM Grade 6 Music Theory Workbook, I now turn my attention to Exercise 2 of Question 3A. In this question, we are required to continue a composition of a melody in the style of a given opening. In this question, I look at how to continue a composition for oboe in the style of a Siciliano, and I describe how to approach this form, what this form of music is, how to compose in a minor key, and how to modulate to the relative major key. Even though in this question we are composing a single melody line, we are nevertheless still implying harmonies, and I discuss how we use these harmonies to create certain musical effects and how to get best possible marks. The full lesson is available on my Patreon channel. If you visit patreon.com/Sharon Bill, you'll find the links to that lesson in the cards and the description box below. Of course, as we compose for an instrument, we need to understand how the instrument works. We need to understand the range of that instrument and what is required by the performer. Here, for example, we are composing for oboe, and we need to consider that the oboist does need to take a breath, and we need to bear that in mind as we compose our melody. You'll find everything you need to understand to fully address this question in my book Harmony and Composition. I give you outlines for composing a melody, and I show you the range of instruments so that we don't compose outside of the range of a given instrument. This book is available from Amazon, and you can find the links in the cards and in the description box below. After this little video, you'll find extracts and samples from the full lesson to show you how I lead you step by step to gaining the best possible marks for this question. Well, so before we get really entrenched, we just need to figure out where our phrases are going to end. So here's the end of bar 2. You might even find it helpful to just number your bars. Here's the first full bar, here's the second full bar, and then so let's think 1, 2, we can have bar 3 and bar 4 here. However, bar 4, we're going to have to remember the upbeat to this here to finish. And of course, we're going to want to end with a chord 5-1 here. Now here, this is our halfway point, not here. That's the lead into the next section, bearing in mind we're now working with this anacrusis. So chord 5 in our tonic key of D minor will be here, and then we're going to want to return to chord 1 to establish the key before we then start to change and modulate here. We could jump higher. Da, 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 dum. I think that flows nicer. Da, 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 dum. So that would be dum, ba, dum. Da, 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 dum. I'll do slurs and so on, because of course the oboe player's got to know when to slur and when to tongue.